Welcome, here I've got ASUS Zenfone 8 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the other category, and here we have the grid option, so let's pick it. Now we can see that we can add 3 types of grid lines to our camera preview: free and free, Fibonacci spiral with right, and Fibonacci spiral with left. Let me start with free and free, and let's move back to the camera. Now in the preview we can see these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Another tap to the left corner, slide down to the other, pick the grid, and let's move to Fibonacci spiral with right. And in the camera preview now we get this kind of lines, and this is also useful when we want to making experiments with composition on our picture. Let's move again to the left corner, let's slide down to the other, pick the grid to see the Fibonacci spiral with left, and this is how it looks like. And also remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see any of grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them or need another type, we have to go back to the left corner, slide down to the other category, pick the grid, and here whatever we need, or just turn them off. So for now, in the preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.